Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the audio settings in Ashes of Creation. Let's begin by opening the Options menu, the Game menu. Do so by pressing the Escape button, the corresponding button on your controller, or the gear icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you can access the Game Options menu. There, make sure to open the System tab and go to the Audio section. Here, you can change the master volume from 0 to 100, music volume, sound effects volume, and voiceover volume. You can always reset this category to the default. I won't do that. There is also an option to reset all settings, of course. Once you're done, simply press the Escape button or the X right here to close the window, and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.